2005 Lexus ES 430. One owner with 46,000 original miles. Tires, plenty of tread lift, very clean vehicle. It's a nice olive green. It's a one owner with only 46,000 miles. A couple of your floor liners there, first aid kit there. As you can see, this vehicle is dent free, practically scratch free as well. It's super clean for the age and the mileage. That tire's brand new, practically. These Lexuses known to last forever. All that tread. Check out that clean hood, clean moonroof. 3.3. We got pretty much all service records for it. It's been well maintained and serviced its whole life by the original owner. Garage kept. Nice beige interior, very clean. Back seat's really never been sat on. No rips, stains, smoke smells, tears, anything like that. All original floor mats in here. Moonroof, everything works. There's everything there. Just so you guys believe me. There's the mileage right there. 46,000 original miles, one owner miles. There's everything there. Super clean vehicle. You will not find another one out there like it in this condition.